Everyone. Hello. Today, class 6 math chapter 4 basic geometrical ideas chapter children. Around us we are going through many different geometrical shapes like square, like fridge which is in rectangle shape, pencil box and book also in rectangular shapes. Okay, we have previously learnt various geometrical shapes around us children. Okay, now we will learn more about in this geometrical shapes chapter also in 6th class. Okay, now earlier classes you have learned some geometrical shapes like point, line segment, ray and curve, polygon, like that. I am going to explain again. In this chapter you have same topic, geometrical shapes, that is what is point. What is point children? You have some idea about point. How you will denote a point children? How you will denote a point? A dot, like this you denote a point. On a paper you have to draw only small dot will become a point children. We denote a location, or we locate a location, or we determines a location. If we denote a point, it determines a location children. Point determines a location. Okay, determines a location which looks like a point, a dot. Okay, some example I will show. Here I will show how to denote a point. Where we will use a point is a denoted by a capital letter children. Okay, like for example point A, point B, like this we denote a point children. If we locate any place or any location in a map, we denote like point, it is Hyderabad. Like this we have to locate by using only simple dot. Dot means a point. Okay children, this determines a point. When we locate a point, it denotes with a capital letter like this. A point A, point B, point A and point B. We write it as point B. Okay, capital letters, it represent a point. Okay children, this is about the point. In your previous class you have learned about this. Okay, already you know what is point. It is simple definition, determines a location or it determines anything. Okay, a line segment. What is next geometrical idea is line segment. Okay, what is line segment? Mark any 2 points. Let us see. Mark any 2 points on your plain paper children. Here, then make a line from A to B. So, sorry, A to B. This is a line segment children. It is an end point. A and B are end points of a line. Like this I will show P and Q. It is a line segment. There is no extra line drawn here from P and Q. It ends here only from point A, point PQ, point Q. Okay, this can be denoted as PQ. Like this we denote as a line segment children, or this can be written as AB, point A to point B. Okay, joining A to B a line is formed and these are endpoints, two endpoints. Okay, this is a line segment AB and it is a PQ line segment. Okay, next I am going to show what is a line. What is difference between a line segment and a line This line segment has two endpoints. No extended line is going long through. Okay, in line I will show what is line. In line, imagine a line segment from A to B. What is line? A to B is a line segment. This is a line segment, children. A to B. And if it is extended in one direction A beyond with another direction B, it is extending. Okay, B is extending to one direction and A is going through this direction. Okay, without any end it is extending. Okay, now getting a representation of a line, we can't draw an extended line, long line, only we mark arrows notation on both sides of points, so that it will go on to this direction and this direction. Okay, this can be denoted as AB with arrows. Top of that, arrow lines means these lines can be extended this was and this direction also. So this is a line. The line segment can be extended in both directions, then that line is called a line. Okay, children, a line segment cannot be extended, but in line it can be extended in both directions. Okay, this is represented by AB and line is like this, we have to show. Then AB is a line. It is also called as straight line. AB is a straight line. Okay. Now another is a ray. What is a ray, children? In previous class you have already know. Let us remember what is the ray. You know sun rays and torchlight rays and light rays, and some are examples of this array. A geometrical idea is a ray is a part of a line. A ray is a part of a line. What is that? How we will show a line? It begins at a point and goes on endlessly in a specific direction, children. Thus a ray has only one end point. This becomes a ray. It starts from a point and it goes on endlessly like this. Arrow shows it goes on. Okay, let us take an example. A is a point here and it's a line begins from here. It goes to B. Endlessly it is going. Here it is going to C. Point C means a same line either side of A, C or B it is going. So AC is a line ray and AB is also a ray. A is the end point here. Only one end point in a ray means it starts from a point, end point, and goes in this direction or in this direction. Okay, AC is a ray and AB is a ray. Okay, it has only A is the end point here, only one end point in a ray only, and A is end point here. Ray consists of only one end point, children. Okay, please remember that in a ray we have only one end point. Okay, in line no endpoints are there. In a line segment two endpoints. Okay, please remember or see the difference between line segment, line and a ray, children. Okay, AB and AC are two rays. Okay, this is the difference between a ray, a line and a line segment. Okay, now we have another is curve. What is curve, children? You know what is, how it is? What is curve, children? Another geometrical idea is curve. You've seen many drawings in your life, like curves, or like this one, and this one. No open, okay, no open place. It will continually closed surface, and like this is a closed surface, okay, line like this. It have end points, and this is also a curve, and like this a half moon and spherical shape like this. These are some curve shapes. Then what is the difference between them? Closed curve and is a open curve. This is a closed curve, and this is a closed curve. This is also closed. This is open curve. This figure is open, and this is also open. And like this we draw. This is open, but this is closed. Okay. In our everyday language, curve usually does not refer to a straight line. So this is not a curve. This is not a refer as a straight line, but not refer as a curve. Okay. Straight line is also a curve, but we can't say it is a curve. Like this shape is curved, but you see it is open curve, it is closed curve. The shape, this is closed curve, and this is open. Okay. And like this we have shown some figures. In your exercise problems, please go through that problems, take the figures which are simple curves, which are open, and which are closed figures. See in your exercise problems, I am showing here some problems. This is open, and see here, this is also open, children. When it is like this, fully closed, this is closed, and this is open curve. If it is like this curve, this is open. Okay. If it is like this is closed figure. Okay. These are curve examples, children.